You're not procrastinating because you're lazy. You're procrastinating because your brain is trying to protect you. Every task you avoid, every assignment you delay, every project you push aside, your brain thinks it's keeping you safe from discomfort. But here's the truth. Avoiding the task doesn't remove the stress. It multiplies it. And the longer you wait, the stronger the habit becomes. Your brain has one job: avoid pain, seek relief. Hard tasks create internal friction. Your brain sees that friction as danger, not real danger, just mental discomfort. Cleaning your room, starting homework, sending that message, opening that book, they're not dangerous tasks, but the uncomfortable feeling before doing them? Your brain interprets that as something to escape, so it gives you a solution. Do it later. And the moment you choose to delay, your brain rewards you with dopamine, relief, a small hit of pleasure. Your brain learns the pattern. Avoiding feels good, and with repetition, that becomes your habit. You're not fighting the task. You're fighting the emotion that shows up before the task. That emotion can be anxiety, pressure, self-doubt, fear of failure, perfectionism, overwhelm. You're not avoiding the homework. You're avoiding the feeling that comes before it. And your brain tries to rescue you by giving you distraction instead. Scrolling, checking your phone, watching one more video. All of these are just temporary escapes from the uncomfortable emotion your mind wants to avoid. That's why you procrastinate. Not because you're weak, because you're human. Procrastination happens in the first few seconds, the exact moment you think, I should start. Your brain jumps in with, do it later. You're not ready. It's not the right time. I'll feel motivated later. If you lose this 10-second window, your brain wins. The habit takes over. But if you act inside those 10 seconds, you break the loop. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to feel right. It just needs to begin. Here's the biggest lie your brain tells you. You have to finish the whole task. No, you only have to start. For just 2 minutes, write one sentence, open the book, clean one corner of your room, walk for 1 minute. These actions feel so small that your brain doesn't see them as a threat. But the moment you start, you shift from avoidance to action. Your brain releases a different cocktail, a mix of dopamine and focus. That's why once you begin, you naturally keep going. Momentum takes over. The friction disappears, and procrastination loses its power. Your brain avoids tasks that feel too big. Study math feels overwhelming, but open the notebook doesn't. Clean the room feels stressful, but pick up one item is easy. Start the project feels impossible, but write 10 words is manageable. Break the giant mountain into tiny stones. Small tasks. Don't trigger fear. Don't create resistance. Give your brain small dopamine rewards. Build momentum automatically. Your brain loves small wins. Stack enough of them, and you become unstoppable. Procrastination isn't a mindset problem. It's a muscle problem. Every time you start something small, you train your action muscle. Every time you delay something small, you strengthen your avoidance muscle. Discipline grows from repetition, not inspiration. You don't wait until you feel motivated. Motivation comes after action, not before. You don't need more motivation. You need less friction. Make starting easier. Put your phone in another room. Prepare your desk the night before. Keep your environment clean. Start in silence. Lower your expectations. Begin without thinking. When friction disappears, action becomes natural, and starting becomes automatic. Procrastination isn't your personality. It's a pattern your brain learned to protect you, not to hurt you. And once you understand the pattern, you can break it. Start small. Start early. Start now. Your future self is waiting for you, begging you to stop waiting.